Best birthday gift ever.
Namiss kita.
Nung namula ka,
Ito.
I knew your heart. May sakit ka nga.
Ito ang kailangan ko.
Di ba tinanong kita, Butcher?
Ayoko. Baka pag nagbigay ako, kunin sa akin lahat.
As Rojas pointed out, it is impossible to score if you don't make your serve. Turkey not giving themselves any chances right now. Forward consistently, anyways. You mentioned a little bit earlier having to figure this part of their game out. They do eventually win this and face off against Italy.
Technically so proficient. Leo. Simple turn down to one with that. Well played for Bishak. Oh, Leon. Brings the they both now. The Curry seems to be having a little chat there over in position one at right back.
Yeah, they were waiting on their Starbucks orders while Turkey to make some serves, put a little pressure on Poland here.
What they do, they've got to correct it.
The serve was made, but they don't handle it well. It's one of the predicaments you can find yourself in if you miss too many serves. Is that you have to ease up just to make serves that they can afford. That's a little bit too easy for you.
Swing gets on that touch by Holland. That's the youngster. That's what the head coach was talking about here in particular, wasn't he, about how his performance is going to make a difference or not.
Great swing, beautiful, another great delivery from Yannick Lazar.
Lovely pass to Big Shaq. Oh, Lacuncha wore that. And that's
Big
good.
center, did he get the shoulder?
I don't know, I think he's got McCann on his chest.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, chipped it.
Oh, right cheek.
Got to the other one. You watch Matic, he's got that huge strapping on his leg, and it really does change the way he goes into attack. If you watch, he's not a left-right-left, he's a left-right jump, both feet together. He takes off, so he's not putting a big strain on his, he's protecting his right leg when he jumps. And then he's desperate to try and land on both as well and make sure he doesn't overload either. Still gets the height, gets through the ball, gets the touches in the block. And the Gilshire will make that work. And it's all square here.
Great stuff from Turkey defensively, and hey, what do you know? Turns out it's a little easier to score when you put your serve on the team.
Who can make it? No step rotation one here. Current going to swing from the left side, swing it from the right side, and Hoover through the middle. Oh, touch. Well, they're going to stay where they are still. Leon on pipes available. Here he goes! Oh, what a touch by Turkey. Holland try again. Slovenia. Oh, he's tagged the line. Laser tag from Slovenia.
One-handed scoop on that pipe from the there's the first one. Good reaction play by Aktak. Have a look at this. Oh yeah, Yuxel. Look at what I found.
City
this second deck vantage point. Watch how horizontal this block is. I mean, it's enormous.
And a little extra, little shoulder and hands. Ooh, little jig at the end. Oh boy. Yes! Fantastic! That is fantastic! Ryuso. What a save. I mean that, you can't praise that. You might have done that. I bet you've done that back in the day. All around in a little circle, lying down, trying to volley the ball to each other. But look at that! That's straight out of one of them.
That is amazing. Yeah, I'll tell you, I never did that because I don't have the lower lumbar nor the shoulder mobility to pull that off. That is phenomenal flexibility and reaction time for you. So it's unfortunate.
It's all to be done right now for Turkey. They can't, they're not on the catwalk here. They can't strut their stuff. In a minute, it's Poland who are strutting their stuff right now. Turkey need to get themselves back into it. Semenya with the serve. Touch, little spike from Curry. Just felt that. Oh, Matic felt that. Tree in the forest, Timber, Hoover. As he went for that one, unfortunately for him.
A little moment of indecision between Nick Hoover and Gooden. There's the swipe we talked about. Really good reaction play.
Matic is, and you wouldn't see that, but Matic's up with his hand after that swing from there. They're in the right positions in defense for that first tempo attack. And they're getting touches, they really are. They're just not able to convert at the minute.
Ma'am Lynn, good evening. Playing ako sa inyo ha, Boss Bell. Ito oh. Ito resibo ko, Boss Bell. Ma'am Jean. Playing. Ma'am Lynn. Yan.
Turkey sets up a nice run on a big.
Just about got the swing away, didn't he, before the net came fully into play. Bang. There's no way Leon will let you game. You might get him once in the game, I can't imagine you'll get him more than that.
Now the Gucci got in a good position.
It's just watching the whole race, yeah. Straight in the air, so cool. Lovely Jack's got it red. Correct. And it's got it off the block again. And Poland now 4 points in front.
Those are really good swings from Twitter. High into the middle hands. And avoided with the ricochet into the stands.
Great player in this game. Left.
As he was already a star when I used
technique. Yes, and then send this one up. Yeah, work on that. And purposely done, just aim into the top part of that rock. It was either going to be recycled or it's going out of play.
Love that technique too, kind of gets the elbow underneath it so it goes up into the bar. So many times you see guys roll into the lower part and just get thrown back out.
It's just not happening at the moment for not just Leon, but also the rest of the team in terms of what they want to do from the serving line.
It's just a 2-point lead.
Yeah.
So they're sort of sweeping up from the service line. He's turned around or gets stuck up there.
Two hands come onto the court now. So yeah, oh, well play there. Desperate attempt for Turkey to keep it in play, doesn't work. Side out game by Haruna.
That's a good force because it's a really good touch to slow it down up front.
Yeah, first time on court as well. Sinead got a lovely touch. Kolovsky. Swipe it that way. Are there any touches anywhere? No. Jurek desperately tried to get something on it, but failed.
Sometimes it's nice to be a little bit slow with your hands up. If it's the right position, that's incredibly hard to get your hands up at that level. Of course, you don't want to either.
You can see turning to an 80s pop star, look at it, adding that forward to finish. Kolovsky, a serve from him. And now Pilots are back on track and Turkey called yet another timeout.
Sis Mel TV Vlog, good evening.
Kolovsky.
Timeout well taken by Turkey. As it turns out, a good run. Going to ask you that to the service line before you mistake. So we've got the lead here for this block.
Behind wide, Semenya gets three. Oh, goodness me, he's got it past that, he's got another chance here. Now he's only one to beat, and he makes it look easy.
He really does. I mean, the technique, you talked about it, is just so technically proficient. That's a tremendous swing. Nice scoop from Turkey, but then follows it up with that one.
It's the way that left arm gets tucked right in and inside. It's like watching a tennis serve. When you can tennis serve, never let that left arm go down in the way, because they'll get turned and they can't get it. And the good trick.
I think that's been a really good play of Turkey. They received well. It was on. Running that thing beautifully. Again, credit to the middles. Similar in this instance for pulling up the middle. Coleman with that.
Once again, no stack rotation one. Very happy to hit over on the left side. He doesn't have to, because Hoover gets a swing.
One shot serves. There's too many of them are going to create lots of good and system opportunities with Polish offense.
Chickens into pass. from Alistair Gupcha. A lot of people are showing over there onto the side of it, who's straight over the top of Ishak here.
Oh, it's just kind of rattled the hands, right? Between Huber and Leon. Maybe right between Leon's hands. In any event, it's been a little bit quiet in this third set, I feel like.
There you go, that's the one here in Leon. We're not yet. But that's the only time in the entire match that anyone's been able to put the ball there for Turkey.
It's off the top of the table, but
Leon's like, yeah, hey, right, come on.
Zimmer's been good coming in here for Turkey. You can't follow it up. Yeah, you got the good block touch, you got that ace serve. Way back that approach started. They wanted to try to get it on, just got the ace on it.
Easy for me to say. Not quite well. Lovely swing though. And Gucci gets the drop up for Turkey.
That was a great delivery from Vinny Fazar as well on the tight pass. Look at that.
Good double jump from Leon. Yeah, he's out with the serve. Off the check. With it. Well, they don't want to see that yet because Jurek stopped going to get that. Pretty much. What made him think this was out?
He just kind of coming into the court, so when it goes over your head back towards the sideline, maybe it does. That's a little wild.
And targets to serve again. Just a little problem of stillness from Leon before he pouncers on that.
That's so interesting because when the pass gets over there in zone 4 and things get cramped, usually that's the time that the outside hitters have a little bit of trouble. That seems to be the time that Leon thrives on. Up in the air early, ready to go.
The one thing's had probably this match has been the net, actually, to be fair. Certainly an area that probably they're going to be looking back on this, but yeah, that cannot happen yet.
The old net standard, a good tensile strength test.
Every other serve.
That is what you cannot miss. The approach of just a float serve.
So two missed in a row. See this is the other thing as well. So Rafaela's going back to serve after Hooper's to serve. And he doesn't need to have that. He wants to go back after someone's made a switch. He can really go after it.
That's a much better miss, though.
Oh, yeah.
I kind of harken back to there was a great coach at Pepperdine University in California, which is on the hill in Malibu, which is the most gorgeous view I want to see. When his players would hit serves into the net, and he would say, anywhere in Malibu, but in the net. Yeah. That was kind of his cue to not hit in the net. You're going to miss this long at the very least.
Oh, all the time, right?
I want to be precise in serving, right? And remember what we said, we prepared to serve in one. What we are doing, right? Remember the defense on the opposite. Let me change. Okay? Now,
We just gotta love that, right? Some really solid tactical information from Gervich about remember what we're doing when we put the ball into one. Remember how we're playing or we change on the opposite. And instead of going, as soon as he starts looking, back out again. Come on, man, did you take any of that in? Hopefully you did.
I like that it's still a little bit of a quiz. He goes, remember what we're doing, but doesn't say what that is. You remember.
Well done, Gervich. 22-19.
trying to fire up his team as well. Coach Nikola Perovic called that timeout because he doesn't want any silliness at the end of the set. Neither does that man. Coach Quick.
Koronowski. Everyone available. Correct. Scores again.
That's such a good swing.
23-19. We are 23-19.
Out of those last couple days.
What opposition Islander in there? Koronowski goes again. And it's Koronowski. It is now match point Poland.
But Perovic has to be pleased with the timeout. His players' response to it. They come out certainly at a different level.
He's done it again! What a way to win the match! Koronowski, 2 aces in a row. Poland take the set 25-19. The match by 3 sets to nothing. And the White Eagles soar into the semi-finals.
What a way to close there for Poland. They were iffy at best from the service line all night. Nothing iffy about the way they finished that out. 2 aces back to back. Sealed the deal and the spot in the semis.
Rematch weeks of the National World Championship final. So we're in the semi-final in 2 days' time. What a great match, obviously.
Capacity crowd got a relatively short pay here. Much of the crowd is kids and Poland, so no doubt be delighted by that.
Great job by Poland in the circumstances, but probably from Perovic's perspective, not their best. Sometimes that's all that matters. Just getting the job done, doing enough to get over the line. 15, 22, 19 was doing enough.
Yeah, there were certainly elements that they could improve upon. Namely serving, of course, we kind of rolled on that.
It all begins here, where your dreams grow, connections spark, and every visit feels like coming home. It's more than a mall. It's your SO Supermalls. Let's celebrate.
Embracing living means choosing a future that's safe, stable, and secure. You want to be cool? Love the way you ride? You can fund it up. The ride that lets you be who you want to be.
It all begins here, where your dreams grow, connections spark, and every visit feels like coming home. It's more than a mall. It's your SO Supermalls. Let's celebrate 40 something years.
stand up, but what are your feelings immediately at the end of the match?
I really want to play much better than we played today, but it is what it is, you know. Poland played good game. I wouldn't say amazing, and that's what I'm saying about it. They played like incredible, like serving and everything. I said, okay, but it is what it is. They couldn't handle it today. I hope we learned some lessons from today, you know, because it's not always pushing the court like always, like because we have the other players in court, today we have some other players, so some other players they have to step up. This happened what it happened, but I think we had a good lesson today, and then it's good for our future to understand like it's not easy. The tournaments are long. We have to stay healthy, be concentrated all the time about the next game, because it's long tournament.
From the outside, it feels like you're a team that are moving in a really positive direction. Does it feel like that for you guys as well?
Yeah, I mean, like up to now, because if we are not counting today, we played amazing volleyball. Because we were fighting for every ball. We were going to, somebody's going to serve. They were like fighting, we were always speaking. So, yes, we played really high level volleyball. That's what it's all about. And I hope we can continue to learn from this tournament in general and like bring this kind of vibe, this kind of energy in the VNL of the next season.
Well, we all hope so too. There are fans back home that love watching you and have loved watching you this World Championship. Have you got a message for them in your language?
This is to Tokshan, Yusuf.
It's been a pleasure this season. You've got great. Thank you. Well, this is what the TikTok scores look like. The Butcher getting for 50% efficiency. The Butcher's better in the end. As it turned out, he did get his OBS. Well, I definitely did that. Let's head down to the court then, because talking of the team's top scorers, Leon is ready with Dave. Congratulations, another win, another massive match to look forward to. How do you and the team feel immediately after that one?
I feel very good. Great because one the great you will win for the final 2-0. So we were pushing a lot. I'm happy for that. And happy that we didn't make so long this game.
There are things to work on though, aren't there?
So many things. I'm perfectable about it. I have to say congratulations to the Turkish team, Turkish fans. They are here in Washington, but also watching in the TV. To all the people in the Philippines and also to our fans.
What about the fans back home then? Have you got a message for them? Because they've got a semi-final to look forward to.
Alright, so continue watching, share for us. We will bring a lot of energy to the call. We will do our best. And like I said, cross your finger for one thing.
Italy's exciting, isn't it? Italy, very exciting.
Yeah, of course. What can I say? Italy, to play against Italy always will be one of the best games.
Hindi naman, ito may sunog na, ano,
We
printil.
will make an amazing game here for all the fans and all.
We can't wait. See you in a few minutes. Congratulations. Congratulations. The win is done. Now it's about the recovery and getting ready for that game against Italy. One big part of the World Cup is Italy won't get their rotation right. But Chiaretto is a setter, Gielli is an outside hitter, setter. Let's go back to the court and hear from Turkey's coach, Tuesday Day. You knew it was going to be tough today with the players missing, the opponents across the net, but it feels like in a short period of time you've done some amazing things with this team. So what are your feelings right now?
Wow.
Most important is lucky. In that case, I'm disappointed and I'm not satisfied because, I want to work, it's to work like, with 14 players like starting 6. And when some guys coming with the court, especially today, forget to play game. And this is the point. Normally, I'm not satisfied because, I repeat, we are not Italy, we are not Poland, we are not USA, you understand? We don't have France, understand? We don't have possibility to in this moment, understand, to not play with the first 6. And this is the end result.
But the team have improved. You've had a good look at them now in the VNL and the World Championships. Are you excited about what can happen next season and beyond?
I repeat, future is something, so long, I don't know. But I hope, first, all player will be, this is first thing. In other case, we will try to work hard, but they must understand, they must work hard with the player. Because we will play VNL after 2 weeks, we can give energy and everything, but first must be hard work in the club, understand, become ready to play this high, this level here.
Well, we're looking forward to next season already. Thanks for your time.
Yes, we definitely are. They get it. They have it. 3-0, 3-0. Italy and Poland will go midday in the semi-finals. What a game. Promises to be, in a way, Italy great, Ireland great. Right now, that needs to do better. Right, let's get out to the court because Skerbic is ready to have a chat with Dave.
It's another win. It's another 3-0. It's another semi-final to look forward to. But you keep trying to hammer home this message of focus to the players. Is that the main Rubicon moving forward?
Absolutely, especially now. Because this volleyball is so fast that the things on the court are going so fast that it's never over. Like even when you are 2-0 down or up and you are losing or winning by 6 or 7 points, there is always chance for you to come back, you or the opponent. So if you lose a focus for 3-4 minutes, it's enough. So that's why the key word is continuity, focus on continuity, to continue to do our best every single ball, which is not easy. It's easier said than done. Because, one thing is that when you are physically prepared and you're doing everything physically as you should, and you are in shape, but you are not focused. So it doesn't matter that you are in shape if you don't remember what you should do, or to do the best thing you can do for that particular ball. So, and that's not something that I can give it to you. It's not like I always say this, the example of Matrix. I don't know if you watch the movie, but they put the chip in your head, so now you're driving a helicopter. It's not like that. You need time for some things to be focused on all the time, for months, if not years, in order to have that kind of stamina of being focused. Whether you are tired, whether you are up, whether you are down, whether the opponent is strong or weak, just to keep the focus. So I'm doing my best to do that, but it's a struggle. It's a struggle.
It's going very well. Look, that's to work on, but there must be things that you are happy with. So what are you most pleased with about the performance so
So there we have it. We have two teams in the semi-finals. Ireland versus Italy, but who's going to be on the other side of that bracket? We'll have to find out tomorrow. Yes, because we know who's here. What a game that's going to be. And we can't wait for it. Well, that's it from all of us here. We hope you've enjoyed the volleyball. For myself, Craig Lewis, from Rich Ramble, from Dave Rogers, from the entire production crew. Until next time, goodbye.
This program was brought to you by Emwell. Middle with Youssef, actually for the opposite. Maria, the same machine wearing number 9, and Hazrat, the libero. All of these hits, as for Serbia, they are transformed since the Vienna. Delkovic and Stefanovic in the middle. Lubaric is a handful. The winner faces Czechia. The loser goes home with Alexander Nedeljkovic serves first. And that is what we can expect to see a lot from this powerful side out. We saw the same with Tomczyk too yesterday, didn't we? He was incredible at attack, but couldn't round it off. He could serve it. That's a good pass in and a touch over the top to reach out there from Hachipur. Can't keep it off the ball.
Stefanovic doing a nice job. I think that's a little bit close, but he just kind of extends.
The lead has changed hands in this opening set. So great first touch. A massive ball from Nedeljkovic.
Acceleration.
Oh, he's loving it.
I suppose we would call that responding with authority and succeeding over and over again.
Right then, final chance at it for Serbia. As cool as you like, Peric arrives.
That'll be top of the list of things to improve going into set number 2, no doubt.
Oh, do you know what? We talk about Peric. What about that from Stefanovic? He's taken both of them up with him. Great work by the middle. Oh, he's taken them for a total. See ya. Iran serving first in the second set. A good side out there. But it's interesting, isn't it? Because Hachipur won the first point of the game, didn't he? And he raged. If this game goes 5 sets, like they could be out there for sort of
Up the line.
still onside out. Still up to Serbia to level the game. Lubic. Mohamed! Serbia serving first. Nedeljkovic sends it on its way. That is an ace. Morteza. Left short.
Having been tentative, they just been bombarded from the inline. Hazrat.
Ball. Play it. Send it. That's great hustle. But it's coming back with interest and Hachipur another block touch. Jovovic in position. Lubic behind him. Gets the better of the block.
I'm pretty sure the first dig there goes off the foot. There's the second one, and we'll see the finish from Lubaric. Just gets in between. Yeah, it's
Let's do it again for us. Good touch. Lubic. This is for a touch. No touch.
just barely misses that right finger
Good set, 3-2. Jovovich, overcooked that breakpoint chance. Oh, still in the air. Rubinets. Oh, it's a great swing. And he has dug his feet, Nikola Jovovich, out of trouble there. 16-17. Does so well. Oh, it's a great finish. Tease up the U-step. But what about that first touch on the Libero?
If you're Luminous, you have to be wondering what's going on. You hit your and all of it from your arm, you'll be the best mustache in the game to start us off.
Blajovic gets the fifth and final set out of the way. Blajovic substituted immediately. So that's one sub down for Serbia. Jovovic, Lubic. He is not here to mess around. Side out and more required from Serbia. Well, they saved the first one. Kujuzic. Lubic, game's top scorer, 27 points. Looks like he's lost control of that toss. And he has. Well, the range of emotions for Iran. Some sink to the floor. Others embrace.
opportunity. Puts it away. Czechia go crazy.
Witness the best in UAAP men's basketball. Kung saan puso at kapwa ang bibigla. Ipinig bilang lalabas. Strength in motion. Hold in action. Catch it on One Sports. Sports Channel in Pilipinas Live app.
Give yourself a shoulder to squeeze before the start of this. That's before you cover. That's a huge bloke. Save that, though. No change to Bulgaria either. I'll give you a. It's Bulgaria white serving. Portugal in the red receiving. Round of 16 action in the Men's World Championship, Philippines 2025. Portugal are getting the right side out. You know, he goes at it, but at the moment, it's not going easy. And there is a chance here. Nicola. Oh, I say, little bit to start with.
Absolutely, Murphy's Law of volleyball. Bulgaria getting bailed out.
Keep it in play. Portugal come again. Now Bulgaria have an opportunity. That's how you take it to Brownstown. What a swing from Nikolov.
I mean, that's when you know you got height. You can go 70% and still get the bounce.
Won't let the clock out. Has that made it? Yes, it has. He's brought the fingers. That's a real chance. Real chance. Still going. They're celebrating early then with Bulgaria. There they go. There they have the set. 25. Bulgaria lead by 1 set to 0. Set 2. Portugal serving. Bulgaria leading 1 set to 0.
Okay, let's watch this move. Big move.
shoulder to Ewan. This should go down. Chaplin. Oh, Janovic gets a touch. And from back four gets touched by Ewan. Christensen to Chaplin. Up against three. Janovic. Oh, that's awesome. Robert. Let's go. Well recycled. He can go again. And again. Robert out to Tomczyk still. Oh, that's a from Slovenia. And Janovic. Garcia. Oh, the goal. The Dragons just got in. Let's go.
Just kept his hands down, thinking maybe he was going to go for the rafters.
Got a steely look about him, isn't he? Good serve as well. Janovic pushes it out wide. Oh, Garcia's got it. Garcia has got it for you. Ay, ay, ay.
Crazy.
And again. Challenges. It's the charge.
Well spotted by our officials. I mean, it's ever so slight. It is.
Yeah.
You can see the fingers breaking the plane there. It's a fortunate bounce. It is.
Hey, points to point, no pictures in a scorebook. Set point USA for a 2-1 lead. Oh, Kendrick making digs. Christensen. Finished by Ewan. And that is as comfortable as USA have looked in this fixture. Right. Goes out wide, ball into Christensen. Henry gets touched on the block. Chaplin gets high. The Jigic stirs there. Rockfred. Janovic. Christensen on defense. Garcia on offense. Oh, we're going to have all these rallies again. Surely not. Christensen. Chaplin. Oh, what a dig. The Trojan comes in there.